Did you leave your coming soon status in coming soon a little bit too long? Well, guess what? After the 30 days, it will automatically go into temporarily off market. And when this happens, this is considered an active listing. So normally you would try to go into your input screen and say, okay, well, let me make some changes and then put it in active status. So I'll make my change and well, the status is not available because once it's in an active status, you can no longer submit it through your property type. So you would have to cancel, change to active. Now it is active. And remember, we were trying to change the list price. And if you do, it will show up in your history. Okay, the only way that you can change the list price, the original list price, is if you send me the agreement and I will submit to get history removed. So let me show you what I mean. So I'll go into input, price change, because that's the only way that you can make the update the price. Submit. Now, let me show you what I meant earlier. So now we did change the list price. You changed the list price. But when you go into history, others will be able to see, okay, why did it increase to $239? That's in your agreement. That's your business. But when you respond to me and say, hey, could you remove the history? I'll need to know, I will need that agreement so I know why we had that price increase and why we need this history removed. Anytime that you want the history removed, you do have to submit that change to the coordinator. And that's how you will make your status active after your coming soon has expired.